Hello guys, I'm Design Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blend background without using Photoshop. What I'm saying is, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can blend background by just using your smartphone. I want you to watch this video to the end because I am certain that you will learn something new today. Please guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I want you to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Yes, help me reach 1000 subscribers. And also, if you have not liked this video, I want you to click on that like button, because the more you like this video, the more many people will get access to it. Also, I would like you to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on my YouTube channel. And please, I also like you to share this video. So right away, in order to achieve this feat by blending background, I will lead you to this app. Please, if you don't yet have this app, I would like you to go to Play Store now and download this app. The photo editor app. Here is the icon. You can go and download it on Play Store. So I will click on it. This is what will display. So I will now click on this new. Yeah, you see this new icon, you click on it, this one. It will take you to this page. So I'll click OK. Then OK. So I want to import the two backgrounds I'll be blending. First of all, I will scroll to my left and choose text stroke image, this one. I'll click on it. Then I will click this plus sign here. Then I click the image icon, this one. This is now taking me to my gallery where I can import images. Let me just go back. So I'll repeat the process. So I'll click on this plus sign. Let me go back, please. Yeah, so instead of clicking this text, click here instead. Pardon me for that. I'll click here. I'll click on this folder. So I'll click on gallery apps. Click on gallery. So I will now import the background. The backgrounds I'll be blending. I think I will take this and this. First of all, I will take this one. Yeah, so I'll take this the first background. To get the second background now, I will choose this text stroke image. Click on this plus sign. I click on the image icon. Then I click gallery. So I'll go to my gallery now, import the other background. So let me take this one. Please, I know you are getting a lot of value. Please click on that subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not yet clicked on it. And also, if your like button is showing white, it means you have not liked this video. So I would like you to take some time now, click on that subscribe button and also like this video. So now I will click on apply, then I enlarge so that it takes the entire portion of the screen. Okay, now I want to blend this image to that background. What will I do? I will click here. I will click on this tool here. I'll click on this tool. So after clicking on it, I will choose blend mode. This is your blend mode here. This is your blend mode. Okay, the blend mode I'll be using here is overlay. Let me use screen first. Let me use screen. See how it looks like. Okay, let me choose overlay now. Okay, yeah, this looks more real. Yeah, so this is the simplest way, or one of the simplest way you can blend backgrounds without using Photoshop. I hope this is helpful. So I would like you to click on that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Also like this video, and I also like you to turn on your notification bell because I'll be dropping interesting video of this sort. Please, if you will need this resource, just go to the description of this video and you see my WhatsApp link there. You get to me on WhatsApp, I'll give you the resources. And also, if you like to join my online WhatsApp forum where you will meet several graphic designers that will help sharpen your skill, you can click on that link. I also have a course if you like to take on that graphic design course to improve on your design skill. Then the link is there. You can just click the link and get access to the course. I also like that you follow me on Facebook, Thread, Instagram, and Pinterest so that we'll be getting inspirations on how to improve on your graphic design skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.